3 shows code figuring at Jeff and Halldale on a Ford Fusion, no plates. Focus, no plates. Code 6 Jefferson and Halldale on a Ford Focus, no plates.
Code 6 Jefferson, Halldale, Ford Focus, no plates.
Rob.
Southeast Unit Racing Vehicle, 843 East 109th Street, and front location suspect vehicle for white Dodge Charger. Racing up and down the street, code 2, incident 4622, RD 1844. That's for ADW suspect there now, 1381 West 190th, 1381 West 190th Street. Suspect in front of the AutoZone in front of a Yoli's taco truck. Male Asian, sunglasses on top of his head, black mask, red coat, holding a skateboard, armed with a gun, pointing the gun at people in the line, unknown if the gun is real or fake. Code 3, ended at 4624, RD 504, Howard Handle identified. Might be able to handle that last confidence on the
No from Zilla.
Responding code 3 from RN McDonald to 1381 West 109th Street. 581, repeat your start location.
Delamo on Hamilton Avenue.
Responding code 3 from Delamo and Hamilton Avenue to 1381 West 190th.
Exactly from P. MPC.
Responding from Figure on PCH. Or 220 East 118th Place, this speed only. 55 RD 1268. Roger on incident 4622. Did you want to cancel the supervisory route? 334 Roger. He cancel incident 4507. Roger. Traffic units, we're still holding a DUI traffic 107th in town. Go to incident 4484 and RD 1834. Alright, 39 Roger. Available for a code 2 call and cell phone 911 of user. Incident 4552 already 1268. It's code 2 for a possible kidnap. Identify. Roger. And there's several calls in the history of that female's callback number. I ran it and there's several similar calls. Scorpio. Continuing to call back multiple times.
Roger, thank you. Henry Edward William, 573. Claim information on a missing juvenile missing from 1537 West 49th Street. Subject female, black, 16 years. Camilla Hall. Black over brown, 5 feet, 118, slim build, black complexion, wearing a pink hair bonnet, white sweater, blue leggings, last seen on today, 4/22/2021 at 14:13 hours. And information contact 77 Juvenile Detectives, incident 4299.
Roger.
Areas available for a reckless driver southbound Harmony from Florence. Black Mercedes two-door. 30 seconds.
With a 30-second ETA. A6 Washington, 8 over 671-345 Charles.
So, here's the 12X52 info only. The airstrip is available cameras near Normandy and 80 for a black Mercedes two-door. Last seen southbound, northeast of Florence.
He's last seen southbound, Harmony from Florence, possibly in the area of 80th. Or Mercedes.
Airport in the area, we'll be taking it off to Florence.
Six in the tail.
37, Somerset.
37 Code 6 Somerset and South Tomas, 7 Young Edward Nora 556. Western, north of Adams. 23 Code 6 Western, north of Adams.
Code 6, moving on the standing guard, stop for Jeff on 8 right, X-ray Lincoln 7.
Code 6, Los Angeles, off the Jefferson, or future plate.
$13.31 East 1 Tall Street on Arizona, Charles Victor Mary 1020.
Identity Code 6, 1331 East 112th Street on Arizona plate, Charles Victor Mary 1020. 95 better location is 553 West Imperial Highway, apartment 3.
Rush the bulk and rush application.
Roger.
Okay, come in. Go ahead, we got some. 3363, confirm tow arrived at Gate Mat or Gate St. Andrews. You're on through. Thank you. Like, is there anything other to go on fire?
57 Sunlight. What do you want, sir? 22 to a boy, 22, you clear from 60 seconds.
Hello, boy, 22, that's the negative. Thanks, check. She was a PR on A1, calling Russ.
Me?
With a PR on A1, calling Russ.
Somebody something further.
Myself, can we get a female responsible location for a search?
25 XL